Seeing balcony in a dream. Sitting in a balcony during the summertime in a dream means comfort, dispelling aggravations, recovering from an illness, or exposing one's secrets. A balcony in a dream also could mean honor, or if seen with the city walls, then it represents the governor of the town, or it could mean the battlement. The parapet on top of the walls represents his armies, his entourage or his ammunition and the stored provisions of the city. If the walls are interpreted to be wealth, then the balconies and the battlement represent its guards and servants. Balconies in a dream also represent the front rows of one's enemy.